welcome back to our channel UGC Net Gate Studios. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to be looking into the official notification which was posted by the NTA regarding the exam dates of the UGC Net June 2021 cycle. So let's get into the official notification, guys. So this was from the National Testing Agency in concurrence with the University Grants Commission, which was published on the 10th of August 2021. And the subject is opening of the online portal for submission of online application forms for June 2021 UGC NET. So due to the postponement of December 2020 UGC NET in view of COVID-19, the schedule of June 2021 UGC NET has been delayed. In order to regularize the UGC NET examination cycles, the National Testing Agency, which is the NTA, with the concurrence of UGC, has merged both UGC NET of December 2020 and June 2021 cycles so that they can be conducted together in CBT mode. So, guys, the NTA has merged both the cycles of December 2020 and June 2021 so that they can be conducted together. This is an important thing, guys. This has been merged. Both the cycles have been merged. The application process is therefore being reopened for the new applicants to fill in and submit the forms. Guys, the application process has been reopened and the new applicants can also apply. So the students who have not applied before, they can also apply now. And the candidates who have registered for UGC NET of December 2020 cycle but have not been able to complete the application process can also complete and submit the application form online on the website which is given here during the period specified below. So the candidates who have registered for the 2020 December cycle but have not been able to complete the application process can also apply here, can also complete the application and submit it online, and the new applicants can also apply, guys. So this is a very good opportunity and a very good move by the NTA. This is the people who were not able to complete or submit the application form, who were not able to fill up the forms for some reason, can apply now. So this is a very good opportunity, guys, and the schedule is as follows. uh, let's get into it. The online registration and submission of application form complete in all respects through NTA website is from 10th August to 5th September, guys, 2021, and the time is up to 11 p.m. and last date was 11:50 p.m. and the last date for successful transaction of examination fee, guys, is 6th September 2021, same up to 11:50 p.m. Correction in the particulars in the application form, which is online only, is 7th September to 12th September 2021, and downloading of admit card from NTA website, which is to be announced later on the website. So guys, you have to keep on visiting the website, official website, to know about the downloading of the admit cards. And dates of examination, the tentative dates they have mentioned, guys, 6th October to 11th October 2021, and timing of examination also they have mentioned. First shift is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Second shift is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And they have also mentioned the website again here, which is ugcnet.nta.nic.in and www.nta.ac.in. So the slots of JRFs of both UGC NET of December 2020 and June 2021 cycles will be merged, while the methodology for subject-wise cum category-wise allocation of JRFs shall remain unchanged. So the slots had been merged, but the methodology for subject-wise cum category-wise allocation of JRFs has not changed. It has remained unchanged, guys. And the candidates are advised to keep visiting the official websites of NTA and for NTA, which is this and this, for the latest updates. For any queries or clarifications, candidates can call NTA help desk at this number or write to NTA at this mail ID. So guys, this is it about the official notification. This is a very good opportunity for people who were not able to submit their application forms for any reason, and for the people who had applied but were not able to complete the application process, they also can apply. So this is a very good opportunity, guys. Please look into it. And another important thing, guys, our channel UGC NetGate Studios wholly completely focuses on solving all the questions which were asked in the UGC Net in the recent 10 years. Our subject is computer science, guys. So if you are a candidate or a student who is aiming to clear the UGC Net exam or the GATE exam, then our channel is your one-stop solution for all the problems. Every problem is solved in a step-by-step manner so that you can learn the concept by heart, and and practice it. So you don't need to go anywhere else, and you just have to visit our page and watch all our videos. And you can connect to us via our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, the links to which will be provided in the description box below. And I have also provided the description I've also provided the link to the official notice in my description box. You can check this, the regarding UGC notice. So this is it for today's video, guys. Hope you will like our video, and please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like our video and share it with your friends, so that they can also use our channel to their full advantage. Thank you.